everybody, this is Bonnie, and I decided that I wanted to take all the stuff that I have found that was in the celebration that I got, and I wanted to make one big video, like a big bang, because it's the last week basically here of celebration, and share it with you guys. And if you haven't had a chance to get something that you may see here, you still have time. So let's just sit back and enjoy. I may fast forward some of this, but I hope you enjoy. So you can see some of my coloring here. First thing I am going to do is I'm going to color the little otter, and I've decided to color the water I thought I had a stamp that said just swimming by, but I've searched. I can't find one, so I must not. And that's what I wanted on here, but it's okay. I'm going to just put happy birthday. Now this is some of that wonderful paper that you can get free right now in celebration. I think it's called the Marvelous, and I just love the swirls. The swirls are wonderful. And then the otter is also something you could get for free right now through celebration. So I'll put that down, and I'm just going to keep it kind of simple. And I'm going to put this right on top of it, just like that. And then I'm going to just put some adhesive across the back of this, and it says happy birthday. And this happy birthday came out of there's a bundle in there that you can get for $100. So there's card one. So let's just keep moving right along so our video isn't too long. Now this paper is from, not out of the celebration. This paper is on the horizon. And then this is a base card. It's yellow. And we're going to just put this right down right there. And so I'm just going to attach this right down, just like that. And then I've gone ahead and I've stamped and cut out, fussy cutted, this little girl. So we've gone ahead and we've put that down. So now we're going to put her like this. There is a butterfly. Do I want her popped up or down? I think I want her laying flat. There is a butterfly that you can stamp, but I thought it would be fun to put I'm going to put that saying up at the top that comes with it, and it says, "You make my heart happy." Isn't that so true? That'd be so fun to give to anybody, grandchild, anything. And I got some of the, I'm going to put a couple of these butterflies on here because I think they're absolutely adorable. This one kind of, oh, wait a minute. There we go. Let's spin it around there. And so I thought I'd put a few, like 3 of them. And she's chasing the butterflies. And there, oh, through a field. And that was very simple with just, oh, you know what? Let me zoom you guys out. Oh, out a little bit. There we go. And that was very simple with the paper. Already did all the design for you. Okay, let's go to our next card. All right, so this one is using the daffodil paper. I've kind of laid it out so it wouldn't be quite as long of a video of me cutting it and everything. So this one here, we're just going to put the paper and we're going to pop that one up with some dimensionals. I got hidden over here. Take some minis. And there you go. That's a real quick one with just paper. So this is one of my favorites. I love this little van. And I saw it on the internet, but out and about, but then my upline did this. And she paper pieced this out. And I absolutely loved it. And I'm like, oh, I got to give it a try. So here we go. First, we're going to give this a little bit of coloring. Not much, because we don't need much coloring. We're going to color the wheels black. Make sure I stay in here. Then we're going to take some Pool Party Light, and we are going to color in the windows. Just like this. Okay. And then we're going to take a little bit of liquid glue, and we're going to put it on the back of our little van. A little bit. Sometimes it wants to ooze out faster than you want it to. And if that's the case, we'll have a mess. Put some over here. Okay. And then we're going to stick this right over top of our van. And that's just a piece of the rainbow pattern paper that's in the Celebration. And this is another piece of the rainbow pattern that is in there. There's a lot of patterns, nice and bright, which I think are going to be wonderful for spring. There are some rainbow ones, but if you don't want the rainbow side, I'll tell you the other side is just as pretty. And then we're going to put this down here, and we're going to pop it up. Somebody that doesn't get out much. There you go. And then one of my last cards that I absolutely love, isn't this pretty, is this set here. And this is the designer series paper that you can get with, it's called, I think it's Hello. This is one, you get the paper and the bird with a $100 order. So this is a very popular one, and if you have yet to want to purchase anything, now would be the time, I'll tell you. So I decided I'm going to color these hope this video ends up turning out as great as I envisioned it being. I wanted it to just be quick, simple, fast video, so you didn't have to hang out and wait forever. And then I stamped this, and it says, "Hope you have the best birthday." And this came out of the stamp set that you can get. So just a quick recap on all the cards. This is card 1, card 2, 3, 4, 5. And I used all the celebration stuff. So bye-bye.